Hi everyone! Everything I'm about to explain comes from technicians who work daily at this well-known appliance repair shop. So don't worry, we're going to get this issue fixed. Now, getting into the topic, something we hear very often in the shop when a customer brings in this problem is that the dishwasher starts the cycle normally, takes in water, but after a few minutes it stops and displays the familiar 3C code. In many cases, the customer says something like, "It seems like the dishwasher wants to start, but it doesn't wash anything." That detail already gives us a pretty clear clue about where to start looking. The interesting thing is that this code is usually related to the circulation motor, which is responsible for moving water inside the dishwasher to clean the dishes. According to many technicians in repair forums, when the electronic board detects that the motor isn't spinning as it should, or that the signal it receives is incorrect, the 3C error appears. In fact, one of our shop technicians always says something that sums it up well. If the motor doesn't spin or spins incorrectly, the machine detects it in seconds. On the other hand, many times when we open the appliance in the shop, we discover something the customers didn't expect. The motor is blocked by a small object. It sounds strange, but we found everything from hard food scraps to tiny pieces of plastic that ended up inside the wash system. Some customers even tell us that the error appeared right after washing very dirty utensils, or after a small item fell into the dishwasher. In addition, we also check something that often goes unnoticed: the motor's electrical connections. Over time, moisture and heat inside the dishwasher can affect some connectors. In several repair forums, customers mention that after inspecting or adjusting the motor wires, the error stopped appearing. One technician on a forum even wrote something interesting. "Sometimes the motor is fine, the problem is just a wire that isn't making good contact." Similarly, another point we check frequently in the shop is the motor's speed sensor. In some Samsung models, the board needs to constantly receive information that the motor is spinning correctly. If that sensor fails or sends incorrect data, the system interprets it as a motor problem and automatically displays the 3C code. Meanwhile, we also can't forget the dishwasher's electronic board. Although it's not the most common cause, some technicians have seen cases where the motor is fine, but the control board isn't supplying power correctly or isn't interpreting the motor signal properly. Some technical guides recommend checking the motor and wiring first before thinking about replacing the board, since the problem usually lies in those components. Before starting larger repairs, something we always recommend to customers in the shop is to do a power reset on the dishwasher. Basically, unplug the machine for a few minutes. It may seem very simple, but some customers have told us things like, "I unplugged it for 5 minutes and it started working again." This doesn't always fix the problem permanently, but it helps rule out temporary electronic system glitches.